Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. This is Gloria Parra today for my creative scrapbook. And today friends, we are gonna kill a kit. We will kill the July main kit. Together, we will try to use up as much as we can. I have little left. I have little paper left. I've got some embellishments. These is what I have left after creating 4 layouts. I also have a couple embellishments and ephemeras, so we will try to use as much as we can so we can go on and move to the next kit. And let me tell you friends, I've had so much trouble filming my last 2 videos. I filmed the entire process for this awesome layout here. I did some very fun techniques with the waves, with the clusters, and I was really happy with the video, with the end result. And friends, somehow I lost all the footage. I formatted the card without realizing that I hadn't transferred all the clips to my computer and lost everything. So, okay, I started filming another layout and that had no audio. It was just a mess. So let's start again. Let's try and hope that this one works. Okay, so this is real life, right? So I want to show you the 4 layouts that I already have done. So this one doesn't have a video, sadly, but I loved creating it. I just cut every 3 waves. I fussy cut the waves with my scissors. I distressed the edges. I adhere them with some foam adhesive under just to get some space to tuck things in. I cut from the paddle boards from another pattern paper that we got in this kit, and then I put my surf shack there, my 3 photos, and my title up here. So it was a really fun layout to create. I then created this one. I love color blocking my embellishments, my titles, my words, and I love creating the title in a circle. This one has a process video, and this, my friend, was a labor of love, but I adore the end result. This is like a weaved technique, so go and check it out in my YouTube channel. I will leave the link down here. And finally, this is the layout that was based on the monthly sketch that my creative scrapbook gives every month. Okay, so I love using my little mermaid here that represents my daughter and just clustering embellishments. So I had started filming this new layout and the audio was a mess, so we will start again and cross fingers that everything works this time. Okay, I have 2 3x4 photos and I had these pieces of paper. I just layered them to have them side by side. And these are my 2 cute daughters. They were in those little beach houses. I can imagine lifeguards. They are for the lifeguards. But I love the colors and I think they will match perfectly. So this is what I have left. I have a purple paper, this one, and this one. Okay, this was one piece with the barcode paper here, the strip, that I adhere on top of this one, of the light blue. Okay, so we will start with that one as the base for our layout. And I will bring my photos, like my photo block here. Okay, I have two journaling cards, a little piece of one, and I want to tuck this under. I want to tuck this one under the pink layer and the watermelon paper. Yeah, on top of the pink. So whenever you're layering, friends, try to have your layers in different places. That looks much better than having them all in the same one. Okay, now I had actually two pieces, a very small one and a longer one from this pattern paper, and I want to create something like a little border of waves. Okay, I did that in the previous video that I filmed, and I just showed you how to cut it. So that's really easy. You just follow the pattern and you fussy cut. Okay, so I want to have that maybe under here. That way we create like this little shelf for everything, because we will have lots of embellishment. We want to use up as much as we can, right, in this layout. So we're going to create a little cluster here, another cluster here, and I believe one here. So I also have this little piece that says the best day, and I want that piece to come up here. Okay, our little waves. I also love this like snack place that looks kind of the little house that my girls were in. So I'm gonna have that one there. I also have this car with the surfboard that I want to put down here. So we're just gonna cluster our embellishments, friends. And whenever you're clustering, whenever you're creating your clusters, start with a bigger piece, okay? If it's a flower, whatever big piece you have, start with that one and layer on top of that. I also have these endless fun that I was thinking of putting up here. Endless fun. Oh, I have this beautiful sun that it's like a vellum. And of course we need a sun on our beach layout. What else I have here? We have stickers. I have this beautiful pineapple, the crab. So we can start creating our cluster over here. I also have this chipboard piece that says staying cool. And we can layer those there. We will just go to town with our layers. All the embellishment pieces we have. So friends, this is what I've come up with. We have a little cluster here. I put a chipboard piece of an ice cream. Here I have the chipboard piece that says staying cool, and I added from the sticker sheet. I added this palm tree. We have some beautiful little like tickets or post something, I'm not sure the name. But maybe we can find a little space there to put it. I like that one as well. But this is mainly the idea. And now we can incorporate the title here. I was thinking of getaway. I was also thinking of adventure getaway, maybe adding that one there if it's not too crowded. I also have life is fun. So audition all the possibilities you have of your titles, what you have left. Whenever you're killing a kid, just try to work what you have. And now let's adhere all our pieces. Hopefully we get everything back where it's supposed to go. I'm gonna straighten up this little piece here and start adhering everything. To create my clusters, I will use 2mm and 1mm foam because I like that difference in my layers. So let's start with 1mm on the little house. For this little piece of orange or I'm not sure what it is, but let's call it an orange. Or a lemon, I'm not sure, but we're gonna place a 2mm foam here, just on the left side, and adhere it. Okay, and now for my little car there, I will use the thicker one. This is 3mm, and that way I create those beautiful layers that make everything pop and create lots of interest. Okay. So if you like that look, you can get a couple different foam sizes and play with them whenever you're creating your clusters. Okay, friends, we have this little cluster already. We can add, I want to ruffle the sun a little to create some texture, and maybe add a very thin foam under the hat. That way we create some shadows. Yep, that. And it helps those come to life. Okay, we have that, and now we're gonna work on our third cluster here. So let's bring in our palm tree, our pineapple, and our little crab. He's so cute, right? I love the little crab. Now let's finish our third little cluster here. The palm tree, our cute pineapple, and the little crabby. We're gonna use the higher foam here. I have a 3mm. Trying to calculate where to put it. Yeah, that's gonna work. Okay. Now we have our 3 beautiful clusters. What else can we put? I have this little strawberry. No, we just want to use as much as possible. Of course, we want it to look pretty, but we want to kill this kit, friends. So let's put that little ice cream there. Okay. And now let's bring in our title. So I really like the getaway. Well, you can also, I kind of don't like all the white in this banner. I have tried to use it in every layout, but I think I would have to cut it maybe, and that's just too much hassle. So I like the getaway title here. Maybe I'm gonna take out the adhesive. I love this powder tool. That way I can take the adhesive of my stickers and just see if they work without committing to them. So maybe here, adventure and getaway. No, I just think this is the place for the title. And I think I'm not gonna use that. Or maybe here, the adventure. I like Endless Fun better. You know, it's all about trying, friends, what you like. That's what I really recommend an adhesive that it's not that. I have an ATG, but that thing really adheres forever and ever. So I prefer something like this or the scrapbook.com adhesive, something that's not as, it's a little more temporary, or it gives some time for you to think and move things around. That way you can change your mind. Okay, so let's put this here. I love using for my titles this line guide, this stickers line guide. I have this, I've had this one for years. And I put my title, I space them before committing, and that way I can move things around if I have to. So whenever you're using this ruler, you just press when you're sure that you like the placement and take it. Well, sometimes that happens, but usually you can get it to stick right away. And that way you have it straight. So we have our title, we have our clusters, we have some space for journaling there. And now we just need some small confetti pieces that we can look around here. So maybe this little leaf can go over here. We have a little camera, maybe tucked here. Or, oops. Oh my goodness. Or we can have it coming. Oh, I don't like that. Okay, friends, I think this is enough. I think I don't want to go overboard. And maybe if you're a little more, you like a little more moderate clusters, you can take some of it. I just love more. So I love this layout. I love the space that I have here and how colorful it is. And I love that I killed the kit and I almost have nothing left. So thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new, creating clusters and just putting those last pieces of your kit to use. And thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to comment, to share, to leave any suggestion, any nice comment. I appreciate all of them. Thank you so much. This was Gloria Parra for my creative scrapbook. Don't forget to check the awesome July kit out. Okay, see you till the next time. Bye-bye.